Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Diana Kim grew up on Maui Island, where her father was a photographer and where she learned her trade for the first time. Kim started staying with friends and relatives after her parents separated, and she lost contact with her father, who was absent. Kim began a long-term photo project about the homeless in 2003. She made a surprising discovery in 2012. Kim found her father in Honolulu among the homeless she'd registered. "If I wasn't going to find him, there were days," Kim told NBC News, "and other days when I least anticipated it, and he would stand at a street corner. He suffered from extreme schizophrenia, and he was not always sensitive when left untreated. There were a number of times where it looked like he was arguing with others, but there was nobody there." Kim continued to offer her father food and encouraged him to seek help, but he was eventually persuaded not until a heart attack in October 2014. Kim's father is doing well today. He continues his medication, looks for a part-time job, and also plans to visit his family in South Korea. In 2003, Diana Kim started recording the homeless. She learned from her father about photography but lost contact with him when her parents separated. In 2012, Kim was surprised to find her father photographing among the homeless she was. "I had been searching for my father for weeks and finally found him sitting behind a dumpster, tucked under a bush for shade. He suffered from severe schizophrenia, and left untreated, he was not always responsive. There were many instances when it appeared as if he was arguing with someone, but nobody was there. It was only after a heart attack that Kim's father decided to seek care for his illness that he was hospitalized. I gave my old camera to my dad in hopes of sparking his interest in photography and giving him something to look forward to. I want him to stay in this good place." He became much healthier in only a few months. Seeing him so safe and standing so tall again felt amazing. "My dad spends a lot of time with friends and is actively looking for a job." Kim told Next Shark, "I have learned to continue embracing personal and spiritual challenges as an opportunity for growth. Life itself is a gift. I am so grateful to see him alive and doing better. I appreciate what we have right here, right now." Diana Kim, a 27-year-old full-time UH lecturer with 2 young children, will be working in the U.S. office for 2 months this summer. Representative Colleen Hanabusa as part of a project which celebrates the legacy of Mink. "When I saw the video about her life at the graduate school, I said to myself, 'She's my role model,'" said Kim, who graduated from Maui High School, much as Mink had done years before. "The legacy of Patsy Mink has always given me the opportunity to pick up from where she left off," Kim said. "She gave women the ability to do so much more in college, but now the family-friendly law demands too much. There is a structural shift in the workplace and in society that we need to tackle, this conflict between the roles of employment and childcare. This is the 11th year of the Patsy Mink Legislative Fellowship at law school, and each year it has provided funds to help an exceptional law student in Washington, D.C. for the summer. Richardson students launched it in 2002, the year Mink died, to celebrate her role in representing the underrepresented. Some of Mink's crowning accomplishments has been to write Title IX in the 1972 Education Amendments, granting women fair access to educational opportunities. Every year, the congressional team from Hawaii graciously invited the fellows to spend several months learning about law, studying topics, writing bills, and fashioning testimony. Richardson Law Dean Avi Soifer said the Mink Fellowship is one of the impressive ways law students have made a difference, not just in their own education, but also in helping to build change within the society. Soifer said, "We are incredibly proud that a small group of female law students began the Mink Fellowship. The curriculum and the graduates who have helped maintain it through the years has already made a difference, and some Mink Fellows have been recruited to do important work on congressional staff. Just as Mink graduated with a law degree and then ran for political office to effect reform and build a fairer society, Kim sees a law degree as a crucial move towards social change.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.